Rolling out a new time tracking system to your team can be daunting, but we make that really easy. Inside of OnTheClock, when you're ready to go, be sure to let your employees know that you're starting a new program. You can actually communicate with all of your employees by hitting our chat icon up here and starting a new conversation thread. Go ahead and select all your employees and just send them a welcome message. Paste in your message and send it away. Once the message is sent, all your employees are able to respond to this message. You can also post a message globally so that when they come into the system for the first time, they receive a welcome message. Go ahead and click your settings icon, come to time clock settings. In here, you're going to want to click employee punch site and you will see global message. You can enter your start date and your through date, and you can enter a message for everybody, welcoming them to your new system. Some other tips to get everybody comfortable with tracking time in a new system. Be sure to roll out an email that lets them know when you're planning to switch to the new system fully and all the great benefits that they are going to receive from the system. Benefits like improved accuracy, enhanced reporting, and a user-friendly interface. Another friendly tip: be sure to have a point of contact so that if anyone has any questions about the system or are running into any issues, they can contact that supervisor and ask any questions about the new system. I hope these tips help. Let's start tracking time.